You know what? Let's wear the crown, man. We need to wear the crown for these puppies, you know? Let's get it, man. Now we're talking. Go ruler. Let's go. Let's see if the crown works, man. If I pull a secret rare, I'm gonna freak out, man. Oh, what the? Today we have a challenge. 30 disc packs and blisters, which are reprints from 2017, versus 30 of the brand new 2023 legacy packs that just came out. So let's do this. But yeah, here we go. 30 versus 30 packs, starting with the Blue Eyes White Dragon. So here we go. Here we go. Beast Fangs. Ah, Flame Gold. Wait. A third cheek gray. That's right. Okay. Fair instruments. Unfortunately, I don't follow that stuff that much. Unfortunately, but Cold Wave. Okay. Shadow of Eyes. Light Force Sword. Beast of Talwar. Let's go. Second pack magic. Amazing ultra rare. Look at this guy. Then 2400, 6 stars. I think it's okay. Invasion of Chaos. Ryokoki. Pinch Hopper. Meta. Okay, another one is really good. Look at this. 4 stars, 1900. I used to play this guy on my decks back then. Self-destruct button. Spell Ruler. Jesse 31, what's up, man? Spirit Ritting, Savajar, and Giant Tornado. Let's go. Awesome spell card. Return all spell and trap. I think this is banned too, right? Insane. That's crazy. Jesse, watch. Oh, Jello. I love those guys. Creepy Grandpa. Okay, Sorcerer. This guy is really good too. Be gone. Okay. No ruler. Come on. Come on. You have the turtle. Sonic Bird. But let's start with Fire, man. LOB for 2017. I prefer this than the new ones, guys. Just my personal opinion, because even though they're also reprints, obviously, right? They're reprints, but they look better in my opinion. They look older, man. They look more similar to the OG ones, you know? And I'll tell you right now. I'll compare the cards right now. Look at that. Even the color, the texture. Look at this. The Book of Secret Arts looks old school, man. Even though it's only 2017, you know? Man Eater Bug, let's go. First Blister Magic LOB, let's go, man. Another card I used to play a lot. Man Eater Bug, man. So, I'm kidding. So, look at this. Look at this. Come on. Back-to-back blisters. Magic. Shift. Inspection. Let's do a double blister with Invasion of Chaos. Now, these are really cool, man. Wait, Obelisk? The best? Bro, Rocky, the best guy, bro. Look, wait. Let's see what we get first. Ooh, this is... Wait, upside down? Bro, what the heck? Bro. Oh, it's one up and one down. Man, you know what? Never mind. And Obelisk the Tormentor. Let's go. Oh, Jama Jello, bro. What the? That guy loves us. Oh, look at that. The thing in the crater. Mad Dog with Darkness. Awesome card. And Dawn Turtle. The Blizzard God. Ooh. What? Back-to-back Ojama Jellos. Let's go. An upside down pack. Bro, this is gonna be magic. I feel it. It's gonna be awesome. The same pack almost. And upside down rare. Okay. Oh, Jama Delta Hurricane. That's a pack. Oh, and then we got my guy Manju. Awesome card. Wow. Now we go back to the loose packs. Loose pack, Burning Land, Prohibition, Magical Hat. Let's go. One Yugi's Ace cards. He's right in the money, man. You get some beaver, and your life's gonna be a-okay. Fisher, another decent card. Regeki, let's go. Golly. Dark Crisis. Thanksgiving, Kelbeck, Different Imp, Arsenal Rubber. Okay. Oh man. Robin Goblin again. Leo Gun. Oh, I'm trying to drag it. You know what? Surprisingly, this guy is like $2. Let's go some blisters, man. Now let's switch it up. This one's got 2 packs plus, what is it? A bonus. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Oh, okay. Okay. I didn't expect this. Oh wait, they're different. I thought it was both Dark Crisis. Okay, even better. Those claws are gonna be dangerous, man. Just be careful and you'll be fine. Oh, this guy looks awesome. Oh, Gagagigo. Oh, Joma Green, let's go. Here we go. Chaos Sorcerer. Gigantes. Reload, let's go. Another super rare. That's actually a really good card. Another double blister. Look at that. Bro, that loose pack from the other one was kind of crazy, actually. Can we get another one? Okay. Alright, I'll take these. Grease in the house. Heck yeah, man. Here you go. Road. Fierce but dark. Falling down. No chaos. Stumbling. Oh yeah, that's Gagagigo. Hopper. Blazing Ibachi. Stray Lambs. Another Urjama Black. Nice. LOB. We pulled so many hollows, but nothing like super crazy yet. So let's do that right now. Monster Egg. Oh, I call it. Let's go. Look at this, man. It looks so old school, man. You know, it looks like OG. Like, yeah, OG. Damn, just look at that secret foil, though. It's awesome. That's the best pull so far. Yes, Gaia, the Charizard champion. Bro, you combining Pokemon with Yu-Gi-Oh, bro. Invitation, Drill Bug. Let's do another double blister. See what we get. Ultra Rare Inspector Border? What? No, too late. Here you go. Checkmate. Or Scorpion. Guardian Elmos. Pick up waifus. Let's go. Okay, now Invasion of Chaos. Part of the Underdog. The Thing of the Crater. Ultra Evolution Pill. Aw, man. Oh, Manjo Tender Hands. That's a really good card. Wait, one more. But nothing crazy so far. Here we go. Blue Eyes? Is it gonna change right now? Okay, not yet. My favorite set of all time, Metal Raider. Let's go. My favorite set. Here we go. Muka Muka, Ryukishin. Double Gen. Sagi the Dark Clown. That's my boy Kaiba right there. Starboy. Source of Deep Seated. Pegasus, right? Yeah. Ryu-Ran. Snake Fang. Shining Angel. Chorus of Sanctuary. Come on, best cast. Chaos, your gravity. Matasa the Sapper. Oh yeah, you can attack twice, I believe. Yeah. Oh, let's go. Chaos Emperor Dragon. Bro, I pull like 10 of these puppies, if not more, man. Same. And you get Manju. Wow. Come on. Jinzo. Monster Recovery. An Omen of Krasa. Another great spell card, man. You sure I played this guy before. Alright, one more. Great for gold. Yeah, gold format is. Yeah. Rush recklessly. Oh, another secret. Let's go. Serpent Night Dragon. And two blisters again. I believe it's Dark Crisis. The second one. Oh, no. It's Invention of Cast, actually. It's not hard anymore. But Lost Win, okay? Yeah, William. Thanks so much, man. It's amazing. Contract with the Dark Master. Oh, man. Now let me show you guys right after this pack. I'm gonna show you something, another gift that Koa gave me. I gotta show off, man. I gotta flex on you guys just a little bit. Hold on. Oh, the Spirit of Pot of Greed. Evolution device. Oh man. Wait, you know what? Let's wear the crown, man. We need to wear the crown for these puppies, you know? Let's get it, man. Now we're talking. Take advantage, you know, take Pill Ruler. Let's go. Let's see if the crown works, man. If I pull a secret rare, I'm gonna freak out, man. Oh, what the? Bro, Mother Grizzly? Oh yeah, you got the Ultra in front of the rare. What? Bro, if we pull Jinzo or another Ultra or decent one, it's gonna be weird, man. It's gonna be weird. It's gonna be weird, man. Shadow of Eyes, Mr. Volcano, Harpy's brother, attack and receive. I used to play this guy. Okay, I mean, first Blister Magic got the crown. Alright, let's see. What? DD Crow? What? And Dark Crisis. Oh, Sakura, another one. I used to play 3 and every single deck, man. Every single deck. Inferno Queen Archfiend, Sasuke Samurai number 2. They were like kind of OP. Invention of Cast. Here we go. Tumbling, Pinch Hopper, this Kangaroo, Fenrir. With this, okay. These ones come with a bunch of which I'm assuming are just bulk. Okay, Hero Signal. Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh, wait, Obelisk again? Ridiculous. Anyway, Invention of Cast, come on. Hero Emerges, another one. Tumbling, Pinch Hopper, Mad Dog of Darkness, amazing card back then. And Granadora. Oh, Jama Black, nice. Another one. We need my guy DJ Cali, bro. Heart of the Underdog. Green Maju Deza. Drillago. I think I played Drillago. Heck yeah. Let's go with loose packs real quick. Meta Raiders. Jinzo number 7. Speaking of Jinzo, come on. Harpy Lady. White Magical Hats. Karibo. Let's go, man. Bad Ice is my second favorite of all time, man. Type 0. How about use of Knights and Flame? Shiam. Blue Eyes, White Dragon, Kaiba. Come on. I only pull Blue Eyes once, that's it. Reaper of the Cards. And Meta Bad. Dark Crisis. Rod. Kakagigo. Oh man, I thought, oh yeah, it is a super. Okay, butterfly, dagger, Elma. Okay. Oh yeah, no, Jama Green. Nice. This is not gonna be an ultimate rare, is it? Gravity Bind. Build a fun deck. Yeah, man. Turn off. Turn to rest. Karate Man. I love this guy. And Mechanical Snail. Go one more and then go switch to blisters. No, you're married. Yeah, man. I'm kind of private person, bro. If I'm being honest. I actually contemplated for so long showing my face to you guys. Let's keep going with the blisters. I know there's gonna be a bunch of ultimate rares that are really gonna be amazing, but I don't know exactly which ones. Ring of Destruction? Poly? Okay. Oh, Dark Armor Dragon, nice. Bro, do we get Obelisk every single time? MK3, Cannonball. Oh, let's go. Vacation through light and darkness. My man got Obelisk Blessing. Heck yeah. Ocho Magello. Let's go. That's a good sign. Matas of the Sapper. Cast and do another one. Oh, you know what? I see a hollow. Ash and Nib. That's right. What else? Oh, speaking of which, look at this. Career Bolts? Okay. Oh, Cardbreaker. Oh, Cardbreaker left, I'm pretty sure. That's my guy, Cardbreaker GT right there. Yeah, another hollow? Okay. Oh, look at this. Oh, wait, no, it's not it. This is it. Chill, Gigantes, Dimension. Insect Princess. Another one. Waifu, let's go, says EDN. I agree, bro. I agree 100%. Another of these guys. I love these guys, man. The bonus, it's actually way better than I thought. Deco Talker, okay, not bad. Okay, Dark Crisis. Dark Scorpion, Contract with the Dark Master. Another hollow. Oh, it's the same hollow. I think we pulled Elma already. Oh, no, they mentioned. Oh, this is a really good card. I think this is a really good card, man. Let's do Dark Crisis. Election, I guess. I think Max C is an ultimate rare already, isn't it? Flame Lord. Oh, Guardian Growl. I can say that. What the? Guardian guy. This guy. How about that? The Raiders. Let's go. Battlefield. Clown. Oh yeah, the new rarity. Or the new. I know. My guy Kyle was saying that. Magic Jammer ultra rare. Let's go. Good idea. All right, Bishop of Chaos. Bloom Lizards, Chance, Burning Destruction Ring, and Fenrir. The end. Lawyer Goblin, Shadow Knight. Oh, great module guard set. Contract with Exodia, cool. Gigo. I think there's more. Neobug, Crash, Robin Zombie, Black Tyranno. For back, Insanity. And Land 40 Chacha. That's crazy, man. Too much. Really try to rest. Another great Magic card set. Nice. Punch Defender. Bastion of Chaos. Yeah, Adam. Let's talk about it, man. Let's talk about it. I think it's cheaper. Even if you have to pay, you know, shipping. Urchant. Winning, by the way. Forgot. I think blisters, man. Bite shoes. Surgery. Come on. Hayabusa Knight. Light of Intervention. And Flying Kamikari. Last pack for the blue eyes. Or loose pack. Here we go. Here we go. Dark King of the Abyss. Oh man, last pack. Tragic, man. Last blister. Blue Eyes White Dragon. Come on, last blister magic. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, Panda. Root Water. Oh, Trap Hole. Okay. Another great trap back in the day, man. Let's go. Oh, that's right. You get the super in the front. I keep forgetting, man. Keep forgetting these are like older.